Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is John Samuel Smith and today we're going to be going over Ethereum. Now I know a lot of you guys do not know what Ethereum is, but I'm going to break it down to you guys pretty simple and easy. So Ethereum is another cryptocurrency that is on the blockchain, and with Ethereum it's a little different than Bitcoin. So Ethereum, it's the second largest cryptocurrency, but Ethereum is also the same platform that all of the other cryptocurrencies are built on. So essentially, if Ethereum fails, all of the other cryptocurrencies are going to fail. So essentially, how I look at Ethereum is I look at it like if you're using Microsoft to develop everything as far as Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel spreadsheets, Microsoft PowerPoint, and the main focus of all the other currencies is going to be Ethereum, which is essentially the Microsoft of cryptocurrencies. So Ethereum is the platform that's all these other currencies are built on. When you have Ethereum, it's a digital ledger. So essentially, it keeps track of different things as far as, let's say, for example, you want to have a property on the digital platform. So let's say you have a bunch of different properties that you want to make sure that you keep track of, and you want to make sure that you have all the information that pertains to these properties, and you want them to go from one company to the other company from hand to hand without missing a beat. So you could essentially put those properties onto an Ethereum backed or a digital ledger, and with that you can also have an option to build on it. So now you have what you already created, and then you can literally add more onto it, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to break it down to you guys like this. So think of it as you have a sandwich, and Ethereum is the bread and the meat. So it's both slices of bread, and it's the meat. So essentially, all the other cryptocurrencies are now adding their own little twist to it. They're putting sauce, they're putting pickles, they're putting lettuce, they're putting tomatoes, they're putting all this other stuff onto it to beef it up, to make it what they really want it to be. But it's all being built on the base of Ethereum, where it's the essential sandwich to the sandwich. If you get what I'm saying, it's the bread, it's the meat, it's the real deal. So I think long term, when you look back at this video, maybe 20 years from now, 30 years from now, you will be looking at Ethereum, and Ethereum is going to be, right now it's worth only like $1,000 per share. It's like 1,800 I believe right now. I think that this Ethereum, I think it's going to be the #1 cryptocurrency, or if not, it's gonna be #2 for sure for a very long time. And I think most people should definitely check it out and look more into it. Make sure that you are always doing your research before you go into any form of investments. Do not go into an investment without doing the proper research, investing your capital, because that is your hard-earned money, and you do need to take care of your family and support your loved ones. I understand, but make sure that you're doing your due diligence before you invest, and make sure that you understand the risks that are involved with investing, especially within cryptocurrencies, because they are very volatile, and you might be right long term, but short term you might be wrong. So you just want to make sure that you can hold on for dear life, as all crypto enthusiasts say, and you're able to actually manage your risk and make the right investments. All right. So that's it. That's what I got for you guys for Ethereum. I want you guys to like, share, subscribe this video. Also follow me on Instagram at the_real_ and then John Sam. And then also hit me up on Facebook at John Samuel Smith on Facebook. And then I will see you guys in the next video. I'm out.